Realme is known as a smartphone brand that offers an affordable price tag. In fact, this brand also has flagship products that are very high quality to support various activities ranging from photography, playing games, to supporting appearance. Luckily, you can find some of these flagship products in the marketplace. Well, this video invites you to get acquainted with what Realme smartphones have the most expensive prices. Of course, the specifications and features offered do not disappoint. Realme GT Neo 5 240-watt is Realme's best smartphone in terms of charging speed. The 240-watt fast charging support allows the phone to fully charge the battery from 0% to full in just 10 minutes. In addition, this phone also has high performance because it uses Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, 4nm fabrication, and 16 GB of RAM. In a test, the Realme GT Neo 5 240-watt successfully achieved Antutu benchmark at 1.2 million. For those of you who are interested in buying the Realme GT Neo 5 240-watt, you need to prepare a budget of 10.2 million. Here are the key specifications offered by the Realme GT Neo 5 240-watt. Screen, 6.74-inch, AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4nm fabrication. Rear camera, 50-megapixel wide, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel microscope. Front camera, 16 megapixels. Battery, 4600 mAh, 240-watt fast charging. No less interesting, there is the Realme GT2 Explorer Master that you can find on the marketplace for 9.3 million. This phone, which was first released in July 2022, has a premium design because it uses ceramic and leather on the back. The bezels are also thin, using aluminum on the sides, and a clear OLED screen. To support photography, the Realme GT2 Explorer Master is equipped with a 50-megapixel camera that supports multi-directional PDAF, OIS, and 4K recording. Here are the specifications offered by the Realme GT2 Explorer. Display, 6.7-inch OLED, 120 Hz refresh rate. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 4nm fabrication. Rear camera, 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 3-megapixel microscope. Front camera, 16 megapixels. Battery, 5000 mAh, 100-watt fast charging. Realme GT2 Pro is a flagship smartphone released since 2022. Compared to the Explorer Master series, the Realme GT2 Pro only has an advantage in the display sector, which uses an LTPO2 AMOLED panel, has a higher resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels, and a screen brightness level of 1400 nits. The rest of the Realme GT2 Pro specifications are actually lower than the Explorer Master series. However, the price offered by the Realme GT2 Pro is cheaper, which is in the range of 8.2 million for the 12GB RAM memory variant, 256GB internal storage. Screen, 6.7-inch, LTPO2 AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 4nm fabrication. Rear camera, 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 3-megapixel microscope. Front camera, 32 megapixels. Battery, 5000 mAh, 65-watt fast charging. There is also the Realme GT6, which is the latest series. This phone is far superior on almost all fronts compared to the previous 3 smartphones on this list. Realme GT6 has IP68 certification, the screen supports Dolby Vision, uses UFS 4.0 memory, and is equipped with an infrared port. In the battery sector, the capacity is also larger, which is 5500 mAh with 120-watt fast charging. Having such good specifications, it is fortunate that the price offered is not too high. Realme GT6. You can get in the marketplace starting at $10 million with the following specifications. Screen, 6.78-inch LTPO2 AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate. Chipset, Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, 4nm fabrication. Rear camera, 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel telephoto, 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 32 megapixels. Battery, 5500 mAh, 120-watt fast charging. Finally, you can buy the Realme GT5 Pro. Sold at the most expensive price of $13.9 million, the Realme GT5 Pro has the highest performance with an Antutu benchmark score of 2 million, has a 144 Hz refresh rate, is equipped with a telephoto periscope lens, and can record 8K at 24 FPS. Not only that, the Realme GT5 Pro is also supported by stereo speakers from Dolby Atmos, offering high-end audio quality. Here are the specifications. Screen, 6.78-inch, LTPO2 AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4nm fabrication. Rear camera, 50-megapixel wide, 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 32 megapixel. Battery, 5400 mAh, 100-watt fast charging.